Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your NameCheap domain to Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to Odoo.com and log in your account. Next, click on your profile icon here on the top right corner. Then click on My Databases from the drop-down menu. In here, click on the settings icon next to your database. Then click on Domain Names, which will open this pop-up. In here, click on Use My Own Domain, then a second pop-up will appear. Let's leave that pop-up for now and go to NameCheap.com, then log in your account. In here, click on your profile icon in the top left corner and click on Dashboard from the drop-down. In here, look for the domain you want to connect, copy the domain name and go back to Odoo. In this field, type in www. Then paste the domain name you just copied. Next, go back to NameCheap and click on Manage next to the domain you want to connect. In here, click on Advanced DNS from the navigation menu and scroll down to the Host Records section. In the type field, put in CNAME record and type in www in the host field. Next, go back to Odoo and copy this link that Odoo has provided. Then let's go back to NameCheap and paste the copied link to the valued field. And click on the check icon at the end. Lastly, go back to Odoo and click on Verify at the end of the text field. And once Odoo is done verifying, click on I confirm it's done down here. And that is how you can connect your NameCheap domain to Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.